Hey everybody, JD here with my first update of my small scale group build of the Aoshima Nissan Z Snap Kit. Uh, it's not a great kit. I don't know if you can see. I've noticed these cars are basically black inside, so the only thing I could tell that it was color was there's a metal uh, bar that runs across the back. I think most of the Z's, newer Z's, have that. It's aluminum. I don't know if it's real metal or not, but I painted it silver. The only other two things I painted were the two interior door handles that are kind of a gunmetal color, but basically the whole thing is black. So I just gave it a shot of some Tamiya flat clear. It also has a lot of stickers. The tail lights, the headlights, some of the grill pieces are all stickers. Some of them I didn't put on, like these stickers on the instructions. They don't look the same, so I didn't put them on. I don't know if you're going to see them or not. I did get the tail panel put together. I probably could have thrown this thing together in about maybe a half an hour, 45 minutes if I worked non-stop, but I kind of wanted to drag it out since I have a month. I did not like the tires because they were the same color as this, and my one big issue about this kit is the bottom of it. There's no detail. It's as smooth as a Ken doll. And the tires were the same way, same plastic, shiny, so I sanded to get the mold line out of the middle, and I sprayed them with some Tamiya rubber black. I'm going to look at some pictures because the wheels are molded in a gunmetal color, which is the right color for the wheels on the real car. But if I put them on here, they are going to disappear. So I'm thinking about maybe, because these cars have disc brakes, I'm thinking about maybe painting the center of the wheel silver or a steel color to represent the brakes. I don't know yet. Haven't figured it out. I got to go look at some pictures of the real car. The body, I was going to polish the body, but you know, this is actually pretty shiny, and it's a really sweet color blue. And it is, like I said, it is pretty shiny. So I don't think I'm going to mess with that too much. I think I'm just going to leave it like this and do a little bit more work to it. Get some stuff done. I still have some more stickers to put on. I think the whole front grill part is a bunch of stickers. All these stickers down here, and it's got license plate stickers. It's got stickers, I think, for the center of the wheels. I was really surprised. I don't know if you can see it, but there's stickers for the gauge cluster, sticker for the entertainment center. There's some stickers that go down here in the bottom. There are gauges. It's got the 3 gauges up here at the top. It was all actually pretty cool, and this all just folds together as one piece. So that's what I got done. Like I said, I'm going to drag it out, make it last till the end of the month. I know somebody at my model club built one of these. He didn't build this. He built, it was some little Suzuki K car, little tiny thing, and his came out pretty nice. I just kind of disappointed that the bottom has got like nothing. It's just nothing. But it's going to be a fun little kit, a nice little kit when I get it done. It makes me look forward to building the Tamiya 124 scale Z that I have. See how much different. I mean, it's going to be a lot better kit because it's going to be bigger. But hope everybody had a great weekend, and we will talk to you later. Bye bye.